So I'm here in Leicester Square. Looks like Odeon have got a new avatar on. Didn't realise there was another new one. Not in the know about films at the minute. I've not watched many recently. Yeah, looks like they've still got the market up. I don't know when they'll be taking that down. Probably soon, I dare say. Yeah, I'm going to get the Northern Line. I think it's the Northern Line anyway. From the tube station down here. I'm going to be going to Battersea Power Station. Never been. I mean, it's a shopping centre, so I don't know how interested it's going to be to film. It looks quite nice. And I think I'm going to go up one of the towers. There's an elevator lift. It's £24 to go. Take a ride to the top, viewing platform. It's 100 and so many metres high. I was on the fence about doing it, but I'm going to do it. It is quite pricey for what it is. I've checked online and they've got tickets available every slot, so I don't think it's overly busy, to be honest. So I'm hoping to just turn up and get in there. I've got a small backpack with me. It does say there's no bag storage, so it's whether they let me go up with this bag on or not. Let's go and find out. Charing Cross Road, Leicester Square, underground station. We're going for the Northern Line. If this chap's on. How you doing? Yeah, I bet. There you go, mate. Yeah. Cheers. And you. Now, it's not very often I carry change on me now, so I normally prefer just to use a card, much easier than carrying cash around, carrying change, etc. Particularly alarm, I don't want that one. By the £20 spare from money I exchanged at the airport coming back from Hong Kong. So I used that for breakfast this morning. That was £10.20 or £10.80. It's meaning I had some change, so I was able to give him £2. Yeah, I don't normally carry cash on me anymore, so that's a rarity these days.
Please stand back from the platform edge.
Nice new station at Battersea. Welcome to Battersea Power Station. Nice buildings. It's not that chimney because that's got smoke coming out of it, so I hope it's not that chimney we're going up in the lift. The other one, there's no smoke, look. So that must be the observation deck in that one. Yeah, first view of Battersea Power Station, impressive building. Certainly a nice Christmas tree here. Shops, restaurants and inside this one. Check the map out, see if we can see where we get the tickets for the tower. Doesn't actually say. Omega, Swiss watches. Electric Boulevard, Malaysian Square. Lift 109 experience upstairs. So I paid for the lift to go up the tower. It comes to £25.50 in the end. £1.50 booking fee. You have to do it online, there's no desk here. So yeah, you have to do that online before you arrive. I've got the 10 o'clock slot. Oh, lovely home. I'm not sure where you have to go for to check in. So let's have a look on here. Level 1. Turbine Hall A level 1. We must be on level 1 now. The 101 experience. Yeah, they've certainly done a nice job here. Big lift there. Crane. The bridge going over it. I'm a bit early, as usual, half an hour early. Not sure if it's open yet. And I've got this small bag with me. I think it should be allowed. We'll see how there's airport security style checks.
Buzzing, a city hungry for power. The people needed more power, more energy, more everything. And to meet that need, a giant was born. Battersea Power Station. The beating fueling icons. Big Ben.
Thank you, everyone. You are now entering the base of the chimney. Thank you, everyone.
You've travelled through Battersea's past and present. And now the story where the lift meets the London skyline.
Thank you, everyone. Ready? 3, 2, 1. Wimbledon, yes, you can see. So where we want to go is all the way into the distance, straight up this way, all the way in the distance.
No, it's not. It doesn't look used.
Yeah. Ready, everyone? 3, 2, 1. Above it. That is roughly how tall the Battersea Lift is, exceeding 813 meters. Those are for technicians.
저기 아무도 없어 봐.
Yes, that was a Battersea 109 tower chimney lift. Yeah, it's quite interesting. Short and sweet, nice, good views from the top actually. You lower down than the walkie-talkie, the Sky Garden. You get a nice view actually from the Battersea chimney lift. I was pleasantly surprised by that actually. I think Sky Garden, you're quite high up, and the Shard, you don't see the Shard from the Shard obviously. But yeah, that was a nice little cityscape. I'll put a picture up on there. I enjoyed that. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do now. I've got what's the time? So it's 10:55. I think my train home's at 4:40, so I've still got time to do something else yet. So I'll check the power station out from the outside, this riverside view here. Please do not touch the transformers. There's some nice shops in here actually. It's quite a nice shopping centre, if that's your thing. Well, it's bitterly cold outside. I hear they've had snow in the Midlands. I don't know if they had snow here in the night. If they did, it's melted. Churros. Yes, I think it must be that tower that the lift's in. I didn't realise there was 4 towers. I thought there was only 2. There's one each side. Yes, Battersea Power Station. No, it's alright, won't come again. Glad I've been. Not really into shopping malls too much, but it is a nice building. And the Chimney Lift, definitely worth a visit. £25 per person. I mean, if you're a family, it's expensive. I think children are probably cheaper. But for me, on my own, I don't mind paying it. I do like to go up a tower every so now and again. Yes, I nearly left without seeing this side of the hall. It's sort of two halls, if that's what they're called. They've both got different Christmas decorations, so it's nice to come by here actually have a look. Yeah, I'm going to get the tube now, going to Westminster to see Big Ben. I'm not sure what the deal is with Westminster Abbey. I've never been in there before. Going to see if that's ticketed, if you have to pay. If it's for entry, I don't know. Whether you can go in or at certain times, I'm not sure. So I'm just going to on the hoof, if you like. Figure it out as we go. If not, I'm sure I'll figure something else out to do for the remaining of the day. Yeah, so it's £31 to go around Westminster Abbey. There's plenty of spaces. I'm not surprised at that price. I think I'll give that a miss this time. I've done the Battersea Chimney Lift. That was £25. So I think I'll save Westminster Abbey for the next time I'm in London. Renault 5 there, the new ones, quite nice they are. Yeah, all electric. Yeah, so I'm going to give that a miss today. Probably end up spending the same amount in the pub though, so I'll have a think about it. Thanks for watching, catch you in the next one.